Hi all, welcome back. So after having a description about architecture of like management architecture, generic, and then on the platform of AWS and then on the platform of Azure, we are going to have a demo session, a demonstration on both the platform. If I want to make any hierarchy, same as I explained you, like organization, group, tenant, account, subscription, whatever, how can you go for it? Okay, so let's understand this demonstration first on AWS console. Okay, I would be showing you. So if you are having or you already watched my previous video, so you can match it up, okay, with the hierarchy and with the practical. Okay, so let me to share you my screen again. Here, this is my AWS Management Console. Fine. First of all, this is my organization. So being an owner, first of all, I'll have to create any organization account, right? So I'll have to go to my organization. Inside that, I can move ahead for the further hierarchy, like for the subdivisions. If you can relate it, it would be very helpful to you when I explained you the architecture diagram of AWS Azure. So first of all, there would be one organization. The further subdivision would call organization unit. So I told you, like for example, I'm just leading any tech. So my organization would be particular name. So that could be TechPledge, right? Here there is nothing like .com kind of things would be added to the name. Okay, so let's go to my organization. Okay, here in the my organization, you can see this is the root account. Why? Because I am the owner. So this is root organization. Inside this root organization, any number of subdivisions you can create, but those subdivisions would be called as organization unit. As you can see, I already have created, right? Inside organization unit, you can have any number of accounts created, but I'm not having here any kind of subscription. I'm having only one account. You can see the account name here, Aditi. So inside Wipro Electric organization unit, I'm having one account, Aditi. I can go and I can create more accounts, right? As of now, I cannot. But you can see here, this is management account. So this is the hierarchy. Organization unit, inside organization unit, Wipro, I have one account, Aditi. Now, if I am selecting this Aditi account and if I want to move, so I can move it to either of the organization unit. It's up to me. If I want to shift one account from Wipro Electric to Wipro IT support, I can do that. Then the roles and the policies and the hierarchy would be watched or would be visible to the organization from that point of view, right? So organization unit and account is clear. Now from the account or under the account, here comes resource groups. Okay, so here you cannot create resource group like in a flow. You will have to search here resource group. So as you can see, this is my account, right? This is my account number, right? If I'm going to Wipro Electric, this is the same account number, right? Now I'm on this account. From this account, I'm creating resource group. Okay, so I'm going to the resource groups and tag editor under the account Aditi. Let's create a resource group under the account. This account is under organization unit Wipro. That organization is unit one, is under one organization only, right? If I'm choosing here any resource type, let's say I'm selecting any image builder. Now I'm giving here any tag. Let's say I'm giving here name or I'm giving here department. And here I'm just naming the department as sales. Anything, I'm just giving you one example. And resources are optional, details are optional, group name I'll have to keep, let's say Wipro. Group description is optional. Group tag is also optional, but I can again give here any name, let's say department sales. If I'm creating here this resource group, so later on, whatever the resources I'm going to create inside my account, like virtual machine, load balancer, auto scaling, S3, RDS, these all are resources. These all are services. They are working under the resource group. So you always would have experienced tag name every time when you are launching a virtual machine. One step comes there always tag name. When you are creating any service, one option always comes there tag name. And most probably and mostly trainer says, or like in most of the places I also saw, they say that it's optional. You, if you want to give it, otherwise leave it. No, actually that is optional, but if you are mentioning there the particular tag like department sales, so whatever the resources and the service you are using under that department. So your billing would be rooted and your policies and actions and roles would be rooted from that scenario, from that hierarchy. So thanks for the day. We are going to meet again. Keep me following up. I'll be showing you the demonstration of architecture, management architecture on the Azure portal as well. Thank you.